the first thing. And second thing, all right. And let's open the EDA part. Yeah. What's the correlation ranges? What is the correlation range? What we call positive correlations. When do we call positive correlation? When both attributes are moved together, so that's called positive, right? What is when we call negative correlation? Yeah, just one moment. So, okay, what is the date? Today is the last day for this week, and we're going to, yeah, what is the date? 15th. Let's talk about this one. Don't save this one. So EDA continue. So yesterday, out of the 7 steps, we completed 3 steps, right? Variable identifications and univariate, bivariate, outlier, right guys? All those things we completed. So today we're going to see variable transformations. Sounds, yeah, one moment guys, one moment. I'm just trying to find out where exactly the yesterday's file we saved. So independent variables denotes as X or Y guys. Independent variable. Independent variable X. Dependent variable Y, right? Now today, you know everybody what is meant by outlier, isn't it? Okay, so today I wanted to see some techniques. So what we're going to learn, imputations techniques we're going to understand today. It's very important. I do understand yesterday we talked about what happened if the values are missing in the data set. How do we impute those things theoretically and practically? I'm going to talk about later part. All right. Now, let's go back. The question is, does outlier is impact by mean strategy or median strategy or mode strategy? Very important questions. So let me tell you a few points: A, B, C, right? So let me increase the font. 14. Okay. See guys, after this class, there is no class. Okay. So everybody give your names, little bit introductions, and then you can leave for the day. All right. Yeah, just everyone, so that I will understand everybody's name. Okay, so how many data sets we have? 3 data set, A, B, C, 2, 4, maybe let's say 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Copy this one, paste, paste. Now let's say mean, median, mode, right? Now anyone tell me, is this data set with outlier or without outlier? Online team, this data set with outlier or without outlier? Without outlier, right? Can you please tell me what is the mean of this data? 2.4. Let's see this 2.4. Okay. Can I write 2.4? Yes. Can I write 2.4? Yes. 2.4. Understand everyone? Understand or not understand? What is median? What is median? 2, right? 2, this one, 2. What is mode? Number of occurrence. Median, everybody know, right? 2 and 2. Without outlier, we got maximum, all the values are 2, somewhere around between 2, right? Now let's talk about, I will add an outlier in the data set. Let's say 50 is outlier or not? 50 is outlier or not, guys? Now, can you please tell me the average of this one? 10.33. 10.33. Here also 10.33. Here also 10.33. Understand? Now, what is median? What is median, guys? With outlier. 0.2? No. 2.5. Understand or not, guys? 2.5. 2.5. What is mode with outlier? 2. So this is without outlier, without outlier, without outlier. So can anyone answer to my questions? Now let's come back to this question. Does outlier is impacted by mean, median, mode? Which is answer? Which one is impacted by, guys? Online team. Very good. Mean strategy. All right. So are you understand? Yes or not, guys, everyone? This is what the technical questions. The technical question is, in the data set, if you have outlier, does it impacted by mean, median, or mode? So the answer is mean strategy. Got it? Clear all of them? Everybody's clear? Now, let's say today we're going to talk about imputations techniques. So the first we called as imputations technique. In the data, what kind of values we have? The first one is called numerical and second one is called categorical. Clear or not? Numerical and categorical data. Yes, guys? Now let's say, what is meant by numerical? It's just a number, isn't it? This is just a number. So let's talk about 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. Let's assume this is one column. Okay, this is the column. Let's say age of a person. What is the column attributes name? Age of the person. Now, one value is missing or not missing? One value is missing or not missing, guys? Missing. Can anyone tell me what could be I replace with this value? What would be the value, guys? You take an average of this value, right? So now let's talk, what is the average? 31. So can I write 31? How many of them not understand? Everybody's understand? So very simple let me write down in the data set, if numerical values are missing, then you can impute with mean strategy or median strategy or mode strategy. Got it, guys? Got the logic? Now let's talk about what happened. Two datas are missing. What happened? Two values are missing. 70. How to handle this one? If you will, two datas. How to handle this, guys? Again, mean is taken. The first time we taken mean 31, and again the mean is taken. Right. So what is the again mean? You talk about 36.57. 36.57. It's easy or not? So tomorrow I will talk about after complete statistics. Let me tell you guys, after complete stats, I will explain what is mean by data pre-processing. Okay, data pre-processing. Now, don't you think before this is raw data? Which one is raw data? This one is raw data. And after impute, I convert my raw data to clean data. Got it? After the imputations with the missing values, I just been changed impute from raw data to clean data. Okay. Excellent, guys. Understand or not at this point? This is crystal clear. Now let's go back to another part. Numerical data. What is categorical variable now? Let's say summer, winter, then rainy, and then rainy, and then winter. Let's say seasons. Let's talk about our seasons. I'll say this. And I have, how many values are missing over here? How many values are missing? Can you tell me how to fill this data? Think and answer, guys. You cannot guess it. Okay, don't guess it. No, how do you say Nishu winter? Why not be rainy? Okay, now let's change this one to here. And let's change this one to here. Now, how do we say this? Now your answer is wrong, right, Nishu? Yes, Nishu Singh, your answer is wrong now. Let me tell you, this is what your technical questions. Let me tell you, no data set is made up only one attributes. Agree or not agree? No data set in the world, no data set is made with only one attribute. Yes, it is made called price prediction stock market. Yeah, only one attribute. Gold stock is only one attribute. For this, we'll need to learn time series algorithms. All right. So now, what exactly happened in the database? Have you ever seen that which database contains only one variable? Did you see any databases, guys, in the world? No. So definitely corresponding database like temperature, attributes name, right? Correspondence would be there, which is called temperature. Now let's say it's 45 degree and it's 20 degree and it's 10 degree and it's 47 degrees. Now rainy 26 and summer 50, and I talk about 5 degree. And let's talk about winter again. Let's talk about 10. Now can you guess it or not? Now tell me which is missing value. Can I replace with summer? What is this? Winter. This concept is called KNN. What is this? KNN means K nearest neighbor. You know who are the neighbors? They are neighbors or not? Agree or not, guys? This is called k nearest neighbors. Now, so your machines does not understand what is meant by summer. Do you think it understand? Does my machine understand summer means it's pretty warm or winter means it's cool? It's not understand. So how machines understand only binary data? Now let's see this, guys. What I'm going to do right now, how to impute missing numerical part. What strategy we saw right now? Which strategy we saw when data numerical values are missing? Mean, median, and mode. Got it? But what happened? The categorical values are missing. Let's talk about. You replace with the nearest neighbor. Now, how many classes of this have this data contain? How many classes? Can I write like this? Summer. I'm sorry. And then here we go. Winter and rainy. 3 classes, 3 classifier. Got it or not? Online team, are you understand or not? 3 classes, 3 classifier. Now, so summer. Can I replace with 1? Can I replace with 1 or not? Summer and winter. Can I replace with 0? Summer and rainy. Can you answer this one, team? Online team. 0, 1. Got it? Now winter. 0, 1, 0. Now next one. 1, 0, 0. Next one. 0, 0, 0. What about this one? Don't shout, cops will come. Okay, what about this one? Winter. 0, 1, 0. What about this one? Winter. 0, 1, 0. Now, can I remove these attributes? Can I remove these attributes? Now, do you think machines understand numerical part only? Got the logic or not, guys? What I'm trying to say. So this technique is called dummy variable trap. What is this? Dummy variable. All right. What exactly mean by dummy variable, guys? Dummy variable means we try to convert the categorical data to numerical data before we build the machine learning model. Understand? Everybody is clear or not clear? Okay, guys. So let me write down here. To impute categorical data, we have 3 strategy. The first one is called dummy variable. Second one is called one hot encoder. The third one is called label encoder. Okay, see guys, these all the packages we going to understand on machine learning. But again and again, I'm telling you, if you not understand right now, you're never gonna understand at that moment. Clear? Understood, guys? What exactly I'm trying to say? You understand what is meant by dummy variable? Dummy variable means impute, transfer. This is what exactly dummy variable. Understand, guys? Now let's talk about Control Z. Okay. Hide this. Online team, everybody's clear or not? Yes, Avinav, Yashin, Arshad, Washim, all team, Sushma. Now, what we called dummy variable. All right. Now, can I write like this? So use case A and use case B. Can I say both are same or meaning should be same or different? Meaning same or different, guys? How come you see, guys? For me, it is the same because if summer is 0, rest of 2 are 0 or not? So can I say n becomes n minus 1, isn't it? Yes or not, guys? So I hope if 2 are 0, then this would be 1. If sum would be 1, rest of thing would be, and this both would be 0, then rest of would be, got the logic or not? This is called one hot encoder, one hot encoder. Yes, guys? Now let's say I have to say these things, male, female, or something like this part, unhide. Now, there is other way of imputations is, there is other way of imputations. This is, let's talk about, if I take summer as 0, winter as 1, rainy as 2. Now summer is 0, rainy has 2, summer has 0, winter has 1, winter has 1. Can I impute like this? Guys, are you understand or not? Are you understand? This part is called label encoder. So for example, if I say male and female, male and female. So what I'm gonna do, 0, 1, 0, and 1. So what we are learning right now, what exactly we are learning, guys? In future, we are going to build machine learning model. Machines does not understand categorical words like summer, winter, France, Spain, Germans. All right, but machines can understand the numerical part, right? So we try to categorize, we try to impute from new categorical data to numerical data. Understand, guys? So this is called, you understand how to impute numerical part and how to impute categorical part. Are you guys are clear or not? So my one student, he attend PayPal interview. Which company he attend? PayPal. It's a good company in Bangalore. So they gave you one set of question bank. After complete this EDA, let's discuss that. Can we work on that one, guys? We'll work on that one. And that would be your resume project number 1. In resume, that is your project number 1. Okay. All right. So we'll talk about that later. But at this moment, let's open the file. This part. Okay. Did you see missing value treatment? In this data, so what happened in the data set if value is missing? Can we delete the records? Yes or not? See, let me ask you. In the data set, if value is missing, can we delete the records? Yes or not? Never ever delete the records. Understand, guys? Never ever delete the records. Let's say if your data set is banking data, will you delete? Not possible. They will fire you from the organizations. Got it? Right. So the next one would be, okay. So what exactly feature engineering? Just one moment. We understand KNN. We understood the outlier. We understand how this outlier impacted. All right. And feature engineering steps. Did you see the process of feature engineering? Variable identifications, univariate, bivariate, missing value, or the outlier treatment. Are you guys are clear or not this part? Everyone is clear, guys? Everyone is clear or not? This is all about exploratory data analysis. This is all about exploratory data analysis. Means in the data, how do we impute the missing variables and work on the data? Clear or not, guys? So finally, EDA is completed. So what strategy we saw in EDA? Anyone recall what the 7-step process we saw this one? Variable identifications. univariate, bivariate, missing value treatments, outlier treatments, and good. If right. So if categorical values are missing, what strategy we're going to implement? Dummy variable, one hot encoder, label encoder. If numerical data is missing, then mean, median, mode. In real time, by default, we're using mean strategy. When we work on simple linear regressions algorithms, those algorithms would be very interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. I will talk about what is parameter. I will talk about what is hyperparameter. Clear? Now, let's go back to the work. I think just give a second. EDA. Yeah, we done this one right now. Now, movie rating analysis. Okay. So this contains many visualizations graph, guys. This data sets contain, it's a clean data or raw data. It's clean data or raw data, guys, this one. Why it's got like this. This is clean data, right? This is clean data, guys. All right, now let's talk this one. Okay, now how many categorical variables and how many numerical variables? 1, 2, 3, 2 categorical, isn't it? And 3 variables, 3 or 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 variables are numerical. Let's understand, you guys are joined a company, all right? You got these data sets from your boss. From your boss, you got these data sets. Now, what is meant by business? Whatever the term defines by your company that should understand across the customers, stakeholders, or business leaders, right? So are you understand what is meant by tomatoes ratings? No, right? This is critics ratings, guys. This is called critics rating, but they called as tomatoes rating. So you need to change this variable names. Understand? You should clean all the attribute first before you go for a visualizations. Yes, Sharif. Yes, Yashin. You need to clean this variable so that everybody can understand what exactly this meaning of this column. So the first step would be clean the attributes and understand the attribute is very important topic. Yep. Next one, the movie is named called 500 Days of Summer. All right. Comedy genre, critics rating is 87, audience rating is 81. They spend 8 millions of budget to release the movie. It was released on 2009. Got it? Same this type of rows we have in the data set, which contains how many rows, guys? 559 rows we have in the data, right? 559 rows we have in the data. Now let's explode this data set, and this is the last example of exploratory data analysis. Next week we go ahead with not statistics, database. How to clean data? Everybody explain clean data, but how to generate raw data, right? How to generate raw data is very important, guys. For example, how to hit access the database and generate the raw data, and from the raw data, to connect your Jupyter file. This is end-to-end full stack data science, right? What exactly mean by end-to-end? From A to Z is called end-to-end, correct? Agree or not? So what is A part? A part means from the data stored in database, correct or not? So write the query, write the SQL query and extract the raw data. This is very important part. And how do you connect your data science business use case to the raw data is very important. Got the logic what I'm trying to say? Yes, guys. So if you don't understand the connections between database, business understanding, machine learning model, and import to the Jupyter, then I'm going to explain you on next week, not right now. Okay. Yeah. Let's close this part. Do you want me to save this one? Do you want me to save this one or not required? Required or not? Yes or no? Online team. I will send these documents to you. Imputations technique. Got it? Yep. Now let's close this one. All right, guys. So let's start the work. All right. So here we go. The advanced rating. This is called advanced visualizations. We're going to work. I'm sorry, how to create a dashboard in Python. All right, all those things we're going to work on this one. So kernel, restart and clear outputs. So where do I save my path? Just copy this one and I'm gonna paste over here. Right, guys. And then pandas as PD, you done this one. And you know how to read the path, isn't it? I hope everybody know how to read the path. So let's do this. Run. Okay. When you check the movies, all the files I get over here, right? Yes, guys. So 0 to, if you look down, I have 559 rows and 6 columns. Agree? Agree, guys, everybody? So 559 rows. What is the length of the movies? What is the length of the movies? 559 rows, right? 559 rows. Let's done this one. Movies dot shape. What I should get output? Shape, rows and columns. Yeah. Let's do this. Dot head. Top 5 rows. Dot tail. Online team, are you understand? Online team, guys, can you hear with me? You can hear me, right? Yeah. So tail, bottom 5 rows, isn't it? Dot columns. Columns of attributes. Did you see? So as I told you before I start the session, I was talking about these attributes does not understand by all business, entire business, because might be US guys understand what is meant by Rotten Tomatoes ratings, but French guys does not understand what is meant by this. So being a data analyst, you should discuss with the team and you need to change these attributes. So can I change to film, genre to genre, tomatoes ratings to critic rating? Got it? So I changed to list is mutable, you know this, and audience rating percentages to audience rating. I mean, I clean the attributes so that my customers, my stakeholders, my business leaders, my customers, everybody, client can understand the attribute, all about the attributes. Got it? So now budget, it's a raw. Did you see they're not cleaned it because percent is there, open bracket is here. I just remove everything. I just mentioned here budget millions. Got it? Now, instead of year of release, I just make it as year. Clear? Online team, got it? Excellent. Yes, Arshad, domain knowledge is very important. Now let's clean it. Now movies.head. Did you see over here? You get this part. But now when you check what I should get, complete cleaned column informations. Got it? Understood? Complete cleaned informations I'll got over here. Now movies dot informations, what I should get output. Info means you get, did you see range index, data columns, overall 6 columns we have. Yeah. Film, genre, critics. Any null values are there, guys, in the data? Do we have any null values? No, we don't have any null values. Now, we saw the data types are integer, float, complex, bool, string, what else? All those things, but we never see data type is object. Understand or not? So here, I will tell you how to change this object to category. What happen if I not change? See, if I not change, nothing happen, right, guys? But still, you wanted to know in future while you work how to change this object to category values, right? So now movies dot describe. What I should get, guys? Describe means this is for descriptive statistics, right? In this descriptive statistics, I will get only numerical informations. What informations I will get? Only numerical informations. Are we get any kind of object informations here? No, right? See, critics rating, audience rating, budget millions. Look at the year. If I ask you, do you think average of year, is it possible, guys? Is it make sense? If I take an average of year, is it make sense or not? It's not, right? And standard deviations. How do you find out year standard deviations? And you can't say the minimum year is 2007 and maximum year is 2011. It doesn't sound like a common sense. Yeah. So this is not required. So all these things, what I wanted to do, I will rename. I changed this data type because it is integer. That's why I got these informations. Yes or not? Everybody understand, guys? Because it is integer, so that's why we got these informations. Clear? Now, if I change this integer to category, so can I get these informations? No, we can't, isn't it? So how do I change this one? How do I change object to category? Object to category, because in the data set we have categorical value and numerical value. Correct? We don't have concepts called object, but we can create object. We can identifier and variables and objects are, we can create that. So how to do this? Let's go for it. Movies. You got entire movies, data frame dot info. If I say movies film, what I should get output? Only film columns. You get it? What is the data type? Object, right? Movies film equals to dot as type category. What exactly I'm doing? Dot as type category. When I trying to say as type category, so what exactly happened, guys? Let's check. Run this one. Now run this one. Movies dot head. Why are we checking head? Because we lost some data. So every time we need to check this one, isn't it? Movies dot info. It's changed or not? Does it change, guys? Everyone? So don't you, the code is simple or very tough? The code is very simple. Do you need somebody's help? Do you need somebody's help, guys? See, you guys spend 5 lakhs to complete BTech. Understand or not? Yes or not, guys? And we've been spent 4 years. You're spending 20K just for 4 months. This 4 months is way better than this. So just focus on this 4 months, practice for another 2 months, upload your resume after 2 months, keep giving interviews. Very simple, guys. Okay. Now the next part is movies.info. You got this one. Can I change genre dot as type to category and year as type to category? Chandrahash, are you understand or not? Yeah. So movies dot genre dot as type category. and movies.year as type category. So let's run this one. You got the genre, you got the year. Now you got the informations. Very simple. Now we clean the data. What we done right now? We clean the data so that everybody is understand, and this makes logic now. And the next step, we're going to let's start with the exploratory data analysis. Understand, guys? What are we going to do now? Now dot describe. How many values we will get now? Dot describe. 3. What are those? Critics, audience, and budget millions. Let's run it. Critics, audience, and budgets. Agree or not? Now there's a no here. Yes. Let me introduce matplotlib, seaborn, inline. All the plots should be within the graph. Import warnings and ignore the warnings to not display the error. Right, guys? Now let's run this one. Guys, are you understand or not? Online team, it's clear? Okay, J equals to joint plot. What exactly mean by J? Joint plot. SNS means what? Seaborn. Dot joint plot. Data equals to movies. What exactly mean by movies? Movies hold entire data frame. Bivariate or univariate this one, guys? Why? Why bivariate? X-axis, Y-axis, two variables. So that's why we called as a bivariate. Now, X-axis critics rating, Y-axis audience rating. Can I plot this one? Done. What type of relationship is this? What type of relation is this? To build the model, can I consider this attribute? Yes or no? To build the model, can I consider this attribute? Yes or no? Can anyone give me some insight by look at this graph? Can you give some insights by look at this graph? Online team, please ping over here. Arshad, yes, when you explain this to CEO, CEO does not understand what is meant by positive correlations. Am I correct or not, guys? You are a developer. He is not a developer. He have money. He is giving money to you, right? So how do you explain so that he will explain to the business leaders? Yes, guys. Sumit, tell me. Chandrahas, what do you find out? Yeah, but your CEO does not understand, right? What is meant by positive correlations. Coming to coding. Venkatesh buddy. So before you joining the class, you don't know what was mean by NumPy. When you write import NumPy as NP, you understand, right, Venkatesh? I will teach to you. How many? Yeah, Venkatesh. I'll explain. I'll talk to you today. I already talked to you yesterday, right? Same way, I'll share this one. Please work on these things. See, 2 ones are 2. Nobody understand, guys. First, we need to write down. In school, nobody teach you 150 tables. 150 ones are 151, right? You have to know till 2 to 10 tables and then you build this one. Understand or not? So first, this is the best way to practice. If I give you book, you will start coding your stuff again. Understand or not? Yeah, so no need to worry. I will tell you. Can I write the condition something like that? The first insight, let me give you. There is, how do I explain to my business? Sir, most people are likely to watch audience rating. Did you see? Most customers or most people are likely to watch audience rating, right? So how the data points are creates? Anyone? How the data points are creates? Because let's see this. This is critics rating. This is critics. This is audience. 87, 81. Somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. 87 and 81. 87 somewhere, 81 over here, correct or not? So can I say these points to my manager stating audience rating is more dominant than critics rating? Can I say that? Audience rating is more dominant than critics rating. Venkatesh, are you understand or not? Okay. Based on this, we find out as most people are most likelihood to watch audience rating. Whatever the highest audience rating, you want to watch the movie, that movie only. Clear or not, guys? Yeah. So now what exactly this one? Did you see in excuse me. So you got some graph like this. Are you get this, guys? What we call this? In statistics, I talk about what is uniform distributions, what is binomial distributions later part. Yeah, no need to worry for that one. Clear or not, guys? This one part. So here, let's see this joint plot. How to write a code, Venkatesh? Very simple. You can assign J, SNS, Cbon dot joint plot. Very simple. And once you click this one, Shift Tab plus, put it down, joint plot these parameters data equal to none means movies you can pass here, kind scatter. So let's talk about, I wanted to add some functionalities kind reg. Did you see? How do I got these parameters? I shift tab plus, just scroll down. I got the kind scatter, but I just mentioned kind equals to reg. Reg means what? Regressions line. So let's run it. What do you get it? Understand or not, guys? You got a regressions line. Is it a positive correlations or negative correlations? What is the range of the positive correlations? Don't you think it's going this directions? Means this is absolutely a good model. This is absolutely a good model. I hope you understand, guys. Do you find any outlier over here? Do you find any outlier over here? How many outliers, guys? Of course, because this one is outlier. Got it? Yes. Now, what happened? Same thing. I wanted to change to kind regressions to hexagonal. What is meant by hexagonal? How many sides we have in the graph? 6 sides. Yeah. Let's run this one. You see this? All the data points looks like a hexagonal. Understand or not, guys? Clear or not? What we're doing, we're doing data analysis. Okay. We try to find the visualizations from the data set, which we extract from the database. Correct. Now, that's okay. So we will continue from Monday, not now. Okay. So I wanted to tell you everyone, let me open the sheets. Okay, I think someone had questions. You fix your answers yesterday? Okay, good. One second, guys. The online team, you also stay? Yeah, so the first thing, the class is done, guys. So let me write down the notes here, what we done. I mean, today we completed EDA and introduce and working on movie rating analysis, right? Working on movie rating analysis. Now let's discuss with you for some time as I don't have next batch. So today I can spend more time with you. I don't have office today as well. So today, Good Friday, it seems, right, guys? So I got a holiday. So just one moment. So does anybody's name is missing in the sheets? May I know, please? See guys, I remove your phone number and Gmail ID. That's not required. Yeah, just anybody is missing in this one. Can you please check and let me know? You can check your system as well, guys. Okay, online team. Okay, one moment. Offline team, are you understand so far? Anybody have any questions? Online team, just wait. Let's fix them and then let them go, and then I'll talk to you. Shiva, everybody stay with me today as everybody has a holiday. So that's okay. Let me speak with you online team. Just quite one moment. Yes, Yashasvi. Okay, any questions, guys, for you? Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. And this week, I humble request you to the team, please work on this project list and come by Monday. Monday, I'm going to give you a new task for you. All right. And then Tuesday, we will see some of the database, all those things. Clear? Okay, guys. That's it for today. Thanks. Yeah. Yes, Sumit, any question? Clear, all clear? All completed the projects? Good. So shall we ready for resume then? Or no? No, wait for 1-2 months, guys. Just wait. Pawan, all right, Pawan. Online team, if you don't have any questions, you can leave for the day, or else just stay with me. Let me take your intro as well. I'll complete very soon. Okay. Yes, Chandrash, you done SVM? When is your seminar? Then, okay. So SVM, you just ping me. I will send one link. I'll explain SVM. You don't understand the math concepts right now. I will tell you later part. All right. Just follow the link, and that's college men, no worries. You can say anything. They too don't know what is meant by SVM. Trust me, they don't know. Correct or not? You can speak something. Yes? Good. Okay. Anybody introduce or not done? Okay, that's it for today. We'll catch up on Monday. All right. Have a good weekend. And yeah, see you on Monday. Any questions, please ask us. No problem. I have free time today. Online team, just wait. Let me talk to them and then I'll come back to you. Yeah. Yeah, Shiva, just one moment. Okay, what's your name? I'm sorry. Priyanka. Just give a second, please. Priyanka. Okay. What's your name? Chandrahas. Okay. Yeah, I know you. Your name, buddy? Satyajit. Satyajit. Your name? Subhasmita. Subhasmita. All right. You, Smita. Both a sister. What? Just kidding. Your name, please? Arpit. I'm sorry? Arpit. Okay. Okay, guys, you can leave for the day. Thanks. All right. Yeah, please continue. Ankita. Okay. Yes, guys. Thanks. हाँ ठीक है यार. Yeah, please. Yeah. That's just an example. So father is mother, mother, daughter, and son. They are dependent on father, right? So father is dependent. Father is dependent. They are independent to the father, right? So see, that's your logic is different. Now tell me, you buy the house or not? That is a dependent. What is the independent variable? Now you skip why I explained you to understand the concepts. Okay. You do not stick to that. Do not stick to that example only. You talk about other example, house price predictions. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Which one? Why you want to apply now? I will give you many formats. Predictions on stock market you done, but there is no project is mentioned there. This is okay, but you never get a call, buddy. Right? See, you are a sports students. They don't ask sports. Right? Are you batsman or bowler? Correct. So don't do this. I will tell you. Just talk. Just wait for 2 more months. I'll talk about it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. What's your name, guys? Please. Okay. तेजस तेजस ठीक है यार अब SV okay then what's your name Bhumika yes please thank you what's your name Kirtana okay yeah Sri Ram your name buddy your name Sai Krishna hero you are hero huh okay you Rashmi are you understand or not Rashmi Ranjan all right guys what about others thank you you clear yeah your buddy Narasimha oops I replace with it Narasimha. All right. Your name, please. Ajay Kumar. Ajay, are you understand or not, buddy? All cleared so far? Yeah. Yes, please. Sahil. Rahil. Okay. Good. Rahil, are you practicing or not? You're not output here. When you go home, you get output, right? Why like that? Your net is not here. It's not about net. It's about understanding. In home, you can sit and work. Okay. Good. Yes, please. Sai. Sai, you missed some sessions? No, 2 sessions. You got recording or not? Okay, you take. You understand any questions? Just ask me, buddy. Okay. Yeah. Your name, please. Yeah. Mohammed, are you understand, buddy? Good. Which people? I'll share today. I'll share today. Okay. Yeah. I said PayPal questions. I will show you next week. I will share you later. All right. Yeah. Any questions? Yes, Kirtana. What's your name? Shravani. Okay. Sharvani. Okay, dear, that's okay. Okay. Can you show me what error you're getting? Definitely. See, you mentioned something. How do you get output? You define ratings, but something like 89, but you call as capital rating, you won't get output. You checked everything. Can you show me that? Rating, it will take some time. Time padtadi. Just 1 second. You walk and say, I'll speak. Let's go ahead, guys. Yeah. Shiva, unmute you. Arvind, unmute you. Okay. Now let's speak sometime. Yes, please. Arvind, please go ahead, buddy.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Am I audible to?
You are audible. Yes, please.
Sir, actually, I'm working on one regression problem.
Why
Where
you
we
are working on a
calculate.
regressions problem right now?
Sir, actually, I studied.
That's
I
different, buddy.
studied data
I
science from last year.
okay.
So currently, I'm working
But
on
this is
projects.
more makes sense, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
See, that you study, that is different. When I teach you, that would be more different. Arvind,
Yes,
understand that.
yes, sir.
In last year, you study, but you
No,
don't know
no.
what is
From
dynamic.
last year, I'm learning
Your
throughout the
own
year,
way.
sir. Yeah, my own
How
way.
do you learn?
Self-learning, sir.
How do you buy
For
all the books?
Books, online, to YouTube's,
Which online
everything.
videos?
Udemy, sir. Actually, I learned lots from Udemy
But
tutors.
you don't understand much, right?
No, sir. I have strong base. You may say. I can say I have base of
Mhm.
all of the things.
But I do show you some of the practical from there. But in technical, real-time basis, I'll show you the practical. Okay.
Yes,
When
sir.
I give you, you're learning for get a job, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Regressions, what problem you have?
Sir, actually, we calculate in regression. We calculate R square coefficient of determination.
Hmm.
Will you please explain?
I cannot explain you now, right now, buddy. Yeah.
Okay.
You wait for some time, then I'll explain. Okay.
Sir, can I
I have
share my notebooks on classroom?
why see, Arvind, understand. When you are teaching to someone, okay, let's say you are teach to fifth grade kids, 100
Okay.
students you have. Now,
Okay.
you do you spend time for the one guy? No, right?
No, sir.
So I said
That's
regression is not complete. When we start, we
okay.
understand all those things.
Okay,
Clear or
sir.
not? What exactly I'm
Okay.
talking? Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we'll talk about guys. What is parameter tuning? What is hyperparameter tuning? All those things we're going to understand. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Actually, sir, my name is not on the list.
Then
Will you please add it?
what should be?
Name Arvind Thorat.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Please add it, please, sir.
Where do you want me to add? Okay. Here. So this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
for offline team, buddy.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so much. Don't
Thank you,
think
sir.
too much.
Thank
I'll
you.
give a lot of questions and lot of
Okay, okay.
asking.
Okay,
Okay.
fine,
Then
sir.
I club it. Then you understood. Clear?
Yeah, fine, sir.
Good morning,
Okay.
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Good morning, Shiva. Just one
Sir,
second.
when I run some programs in why
One second,
I
please.
am not getting output, sir. It is
One second. One second,
continuously
Shiva.
running.
What happened?
Can we not prolong the class if the topics are so interesting? We're getting the topics and all. So we were discussing what steps that you can prolong the class for more 30 minutes.
I can do that, buddy. But the problem is 11:30 another batch is there. So they will come back. Okay. It's not that I can speak for 3 hours.
I mean, you can buy a buffer of 20 minutes at least.
Yeah, we'll do it, no problem. Yeah, from Monday, will you want to go for 11:15? Yeah, okay, we'll take it. Yeah, no problem.
Because you want us to download any data sets or something, you can inform us a day prior. So for that, the time is not necessary.
You no need to tell me. I know what is the better things. That is the first thing. I will take 2 hours. I'll teach many students. That is the first thing. You just follow me what I'm saying. Clear? You need resume or not? I will give you data sets. Will you practice? Then don't think too much, guys. Understand what I'm saying? Okay, see, I'm straightforward. Saying you. I will teach 11:15, 15 minutes extra if you want. I will take that. Just continue that and we're going to see. Clear? No need to worry. Don't 4 days you have practiced. Did you complete all NumPy A to Z? No. Did you complete all Matplotlib? Have you checked that one first? Please check that first. I gave you time. See, I can give you engage with you 200 tasks. That's not make sense. Understand, Sumit, what exactly I'm saying? Understand, guys? Or you have any more questions? You want me to continue till 2 hours? See, I know what is good. Whatever questions you ask, already these questions asked by many people. I train to great learning folks, upgrad folks, PhD guys, triple IT Bangalore's guys. So I know them your mentality. So please understand and follow with me. I will take very slow. You understand these topics. If I ask 1 month, you only not able to answer me. So it's not about how much time I cover you. Am I cover the topic or not? That is important. Clear? So no need to worry. We'll see. Okay, guys. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. Don't come with next time like knife and all those things. Huh? Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, guys. Okay, I will take 15 minutes extra from Monday onwards. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Please online team. Okay, no problem. No problem. No, no. Yes, please. Yeah. Shiva, let's unmute you. Yeah, Shiva, go ahead.
సార్ కొన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కి అవుట్పుట్ కి కంటిన్యూస్ గా ఇట్లా స్టార్ మార్క్ వస్తుంది ఇట్లా ఓపెన్ అయ్యే ముందు
Huh?
అట్లనే కంటిన్యూగా వస్తుంది సార్. ఒక 5-10 minutes వెయిట్ చేసినా కూడా అవుట్పుట్ అయితే వస్తలేదు.
Maybe your software is corrupted. Why don't you post the error on the Google sheet, Google Classroom?
గూగుల్ క్లాస్ లో
Huh.
కంటిన్యూ అట్లనే కంటిన్యూగా
So
వస్తుంది.
maybe system, maybe your software is corrupted. See, not happening with everyone, right? That's not happen with everyone, isn't it?
కొన్ని వస్తున్నాయి, కొన్నిటికి వస్తలేవు సార్.
Okay, 1 second.
ఓన్లీ ఈ గ్రాఫిక్స్ దానికి అయితేనే కొంచెం స్లో అవుతుంది. ఈ బాక్స్ విజువలైజేషన్స్
It will take some time, Shiva. It will take some time.
5-10
Rating,
minutes ఇట్లా.
rating not defined. 1 second, Shiva.
ఓకే సార్.
Yeah. Huh. So what you need to do, you restart the kernel first. Okay, Shiva. Once you
Okay,
restart
sir.
the kernel, then you work on it. Definitely it will come. So this is not a technical questions. Understand? This is not a technical questions. And you check if any issues, just let me know and post your error. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Shiva.
ఓకే సార్.
Good. Open that link which I shared. Open that link first. The link classroom, whatever I mentioned. With your phone number. Okay, yeah, yes, guys. I will share the phone number. I will share the phone numbers to you. On Monday, next week, I'll give it to you. Okay. Yes, Pratyush, please go ahead. Yes, Pratyush, please go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Hello.
Yes, Pratyush.
Yes, sir. Sir, due to network issues, I just missed the imputation techniques. Sir, can you explain in short, sir?
Imputation techniques you missed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very simple, buddy. If you have 1, 2, 4, you implement mean or not, average or not, correct? Average, if I fill this, what is the average? 3, 2.33. I mean, you impute this variable or not, correct or not, guys? What exactly I'm trying to say? Hello, Pratyush, can you hear me or not? Just one moment. First, open the link which I shared with you, then show me. Okay, please open once. Pratyush, are you with me or not? One moment, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Unmute you. How
Yes,
do you? One moment, Pratyush. I be okay. Now, what's your question? Show me. See, still it is executing. Did you see? It's take some time.
Sir, what should we do then? We need to wait for
It is going on. Wait, cheyali. Okay. So sometimes mode won't work here. Mode, you get the value here. I said you keep this one and see, practice one by one. Then you understand. Understand or not what exactly I'm trying to say?
for rating. It's taking
Time. It will take time. It will take time. It will take time.
finally
It will execute. It will execute. Okay. Yeah. You got output? No, 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 no. No issues. Yes, Pratyush. I hope you understand. If the numerical data is missing, then we impute mean strategy. Correct? If the numerical data is missing, then we impute mean strategy. If the categorical variable we have summer, winter, rainy. So what exactly happened? Summer, winter, and rainy. One moment. Drop NA. Wait. ఒక్కొక్కటి చెయ్యు. Take a drop NA means whatever you find null values, delete it. Now go to site Google, type it Google, check dot drop NA. Pratyush, now summer, what is the value? Can you tell me? What is the value for summer?
One.
1. This one 0. Same way. Winter 0, 1, 0. And rainy 0 and 0 and then 1. Clear or not?
So how can we decide this value, sir?
No, you cannot be decide. You cannot decide. This is the technique. Your package have to decide. Okay, Pratyush. In
Yes.
upcoming days, we will talk about data pre-processing. We will talk about the package. The packages will decide. All
Yes.
right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Washim. Yes, Washim. Tell me, how is going on, Washim? All good so far?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's very interesting or not?
Yes, yes. Interesting, sir.
Because this is the first week, so I'm telling you a little bit slow down, guys. Then I will give you a little bit more advance. Yeah. So first you
Yes,
try
yes.
to make things are easy and then makes you more better way, isn't it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Good job, guys.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right. Got it? Drop read చదువు ఇది ఏముంది ఇట్లా కాదు. So when you find like this, tag dot drop in, you cannot type like this because they doesn't know what is meant by tag. So just mention pandas drop na. Click this one. Now read. If any na values are present, drop that row or column. Understand now? This is the way you have to study. Tomorrow when you work in a software, everybody have to search like this. Then they're resolving the issues. Understand or not? So this is the way you have to learn. That's what I'm saying you to practice your own. In company, nobody will help you. Correct or not? This is the way you need to do it. Complete everything. Then it will be very understand. 2 days you have a time. Complete all the tasks. It should be very neat and clean. Okay. Good. Kirtana, you understand, right?
Yes.
Good.
How should we identify a data sheet whether they are relevant or not?
I will tell you. When you learn more practice, then you understand. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, online team. See you on Monday. Have a great day. Any questions? Any more questions, online team? I think I post all the questions here. Ray is required in Python. Yes. Yes, Shashvi. Shahid Azad. Yes. Ray is required in Python, but not here. But in NLP we required. Okay. Joint plot. I will give you on Monday. You will understand. Joint plot means automatically you get a joint plot. Yeah. No problem. No problem. Okay. Thank you, guys. Drakshayani, all clear? Drakshayani, understand? Saeed Azad, unmute you. Yashashvi, clear? Unmute you. Rihan, are you clear, guys? Interesting or not? Interesting or not?
Yes, very interesting.
Very good.
Sir,
Practice all
interesting.
the project list. Okay, Drakshayani, and
Yeah.
update me by Monday. Okay.
Actually, if any doubts, I will be posting Google Classroom, sir. Can you
Yeah, anyone
clarify
can
me?
help. Ajad can help. Wasim can help. Arshad can help. Other team members also can help. Okay.
Okay.
No need to
Thank you,
worry.
sir.
Clear? Okay, guys. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. Goodbye.